A discovery session varies with every customer because every customer's needs are different. Hence a discovery session. That's how we find out where you are, where you want to go, and how we can help you. Three of the critical things that we like to do are, first off, find out where you are today, what you have as infrastructure, what you have as a skill set, what you have for hardware, and your physical layout. It's important to know, what you have for servers, storage, networking, your skill set, and your abilities before we can custom tune as to what sort of solution we can provide for you. The second thing we need to do is find out where you want to go. Why are we talking here? What plans do you have? What goals or ideas that you have that you want Mosaic to help you get from one point to another? Where do you want to go? What do you want to do from this point forward? And the third thing that we'd like to do is figure out what we can do to help you get to that solution. There may be several different technical solutions to your problem, but we want to find the best fit for what you do. So the third thing is, how can we help you? The best way to sort of go through this is an example with a company that we did this with recently. They had a decent network, more than enough to support their users, their endpoints, and their servers, but not a whole lot of extra capacity there. And they had no network storage, no SAN, basic backups to tape, and just standard infrastructure. But they were growing more than they expected, and we're looking at a situation where they had to upgrade their network as well as expand their data center to provide solutions to better themselves. What this customer wanted to do was to decrease the footprint in their data center, decrease the number of servers that they had to support, decrease the power that they needed to use for heating and cooling, decrease the overhead that their network was providing. But at the same time they wanted to increase network performance, they also needed to decrease their administrative overhead. They were spending too much time doing break fix, patchwork, and keeping their existing servers running proficiently. We came up with a solution that included virtualization with VMware, centralized storage with an EqualLogic SAN. We replaced some of their aging switches with a couple of newer models that were much faster and more resilient. And additionally, we had some professional services where we were able to come in, help them, guide them, and do some knowledge transfer so that by the time we were done, they were fully capable of managing this infrastructure themselves. We were able to change their 25 servers to 4. They had better application uptime, better ability to make changes, updates to their existing servers. They had an upgrade path for all of their virtual systems and all their physical servers. They were able to integrate their backups, so they backed up the SAN directly in all of their virtual machines as opposed to writing to tape for every single machine, which reduced their downtime for backups. And their users had better connectivity and better performance. Their users were happy.